Here we go. It looks as though Palmer and Nate in the middle. You can see them battling it out over that first roller.
It looks like Holland has a roll shot. Nate Holland out in front.
Here comes Pat trying to slot in behind his brother in the red, but it looks like black. We've got Novotny close in second place.
Looks like Palmer and Pat Holland right there, third and fourth, the last transfer spot. Pat Holland and Palmer fighting for that last transfer spot.
That's right. Keep your eye on the transfer spot. Right now it's between Pat Holland in red and Sean Palmer in green. It's all about making it to the semifinals here.
That's right. Looks like Nate running away with it. Novotny, now Pat Holland making the move on Novotny. The Holland brothers 1 and 2. Brothers in love out there.
Oh yeah, look at that. Pat Holland trying to slot in behind his brother, trying to catch his draft.
That's right. So that last transfer spot, Palmer looking to make the move on Novotny.
Oh, here comes Palmer taking the inside line. The palm. Look at that. Moving into the transfer. Oh, Palmer making his move on the outside, coming up on Pat Holland. Palmer running into trouble, going wide into the powder. Palmer falling to the back.
Unterrainer making the move on Novotny. Now Unterrainer moves with Palmer and Novotny rubbed in right there. Now Unterrainer making the move.
There goes Unterrainer again, making another pass, moving into third position. This is a battle between Unterrainer.
That's right, the brothers, Pat and Nate Holland. 1 and 2 right now.